If you're looking for a way to get your business online without breaking the bank, today I'm going to be comparing two of the best AI website builder 2026 options, Bluehost versus IONOS. One is famous for its incredible $1 entry price, while the other offers a massive suite of AI tools to do the heavy lifting for you. But which one is actually right for your project? Let's dive into the Bluehost versus IONOS side-by-side comparison. And before we start, I have added the latest discounts for both builders in the description below. So if you decide to try either one of them, you can grab them at the lowest price possible, avoiding overpaying later. So here's one big difference in this IONOS versus Bluehost 2026 comparison right away. IONOS focuses on accessibility. It's all about getting your business online immediately for almost no upfront cost, well, for $1 a month. Meanwhile, Bluehost is aiming for something much bigger. It wants to be your entire business ecosystem. Your website, your branding, your SEO tools, your email setup, all inside one dashboard. So if you've heard about the IONOS $1 deal, yep, it's real. You can launch a site for about the price of a coffee. It's honestly kind of ridiculous in a good way. It's clearly targeting people starting their very first business or side hustle and doesn't tie them down to long commitments. Bluehost takes a different route. It costs more upfront, but you're paying for the ecosystem that can grow with your site. Bluehost is one of the most recognized hosting providers online, and it's officially recommended by WordPress. Now, both platforms include the stuff beginners usually don't think about: free domain, professional email, hosting, AI tools, and everything ready to go without needing 5 separate subscriptions. I put the latest discounts for both in the description so you can lock in these current promos while you watch the comparison. Now let's talk about the actual AI experience. Starting with Bluehost WondersSuite review. Instead of just asking what business you have, Bluehost gathers information about your style, audience, goals, and even the vibe and layouts you want for your brand. And the stock images that it chooses also look way more premium than I expected. With a lot of extra elements, pre-built pages, and extra WordPress tools, Bluehost feels more like an AI design assistant trying to build a complete brand identity for you. Meanwhile, IONOS, again, takes the opposite approach. It basically skips the long interview and says, cool, give me your business name and let's move on. The setup is insanely fast. Within about a minute, you already have a functioning site, and that's great, but it can also feel a bit too bare when compared to Bluehost onboarding. But here's the thing. Unlike a lot of builders that have AI tools, the AI writing tools here are actually useful. What a shock. So if Bluehost wins on design, IONOS wins on content generation. Continuing the same logic, the editor's experience is also very different. IONOS works almost like Lego blocks, so basically the best website builder for beginners. Sections snap together in ways that just make sense. Here's a surprise for you. IONOS gives you a second purely drag and drop editor. And on top of that, you can switch editing modes on a section by section basis. So if you want one to be strict and the other kind of wild, yeah, go for it. That's kind of a unique feature in the web builder world. Bluehost, being based on WordPress, naturally gives you more freedom, so you can adjust spacing, move sections around, layer elements, and customize things to a minuscule degree. It feels closer to Canva mixed with a professional web design tool. And since it's WordPress, you're free to install any web builder plugin and change this system, making it more complex or easier. That's the beauty of WordPress, hundreds of thousands of plugins. So if that IONOS AI looks exactly like what you need, you can find that specific $1 starter deal at the top of the description, or if you prefer Bluehost's flexibility, that link is right there too. When it comes to business tools, Bluehost definitely feels more ambitious. Since it connects to the WordPress ecosystem, you get access to powerful SEO plugins like Yoast that actually guide you while writing pages, so your site has a better chance of showing up on Google. Bluehost also keeps recommending the next steps for your business growth through WonderSuite. Add a blog, improve SEO, optimize pages. It constantly pushes you toward scaling bigger. IONOS is more focused on local businesses. If you run something like a plumbing company, restaurant, salon, or local service business, their List Local feature is honestly super valuable. It automatically syncs your business information across Google Maps and other directories, saving hours of manual work. And there's also an AI SEO generator that helps write meta descriptions and achieve even better SEO results. E-commerce also reflects the same philosophy. IONOS makes it incredibly easy to add simple buy now functionality fast, and Bluehost feels more serious and scalable with inventory management, shipping settings, and a more global online store approach. Basically, use IONOS if your customers are in your neighborhood, but if they are all over the web and you want to dominate Google search, go with Bluehost. All right, let's circle back to pricing. The IONOS $1 deal is probably the lowest entry point that I've seen from a major website builder in recent months. So if your goal is simply getting online fast with minimal risk, it's the best way. Bluehost costs more, but it also gives you more room to grow in the long term. Like I said, I left that link in the description, or you can just scan this QR code, and you're paying for the WondersSuite ecosystem. And when you break it down, you're getting a professional grade builder for the price of lunch once a month. So here's my final verdict in this Bluehost versus IONOS website builder comparison. If you're starting on a tight budget and want the simplest possible launch experience, IONOS is hard to beat. Fast setup, helpful AI writing, beginner-proof editor, and almost no upfront cost. But if you're building a serious brand and you want more flexibility, better design guidance, stronger scaling potential, and deeper customization tools, Bluehost absolutely feels more powerful long-term, especially if you want something closer to professional WordPress level control from day one. And that's my full AI website builder comparison. I hope it helped you pick the next host for your business. I've included both discounts in the description below so you can lock in the best current deal for whichever platform best fits your goals. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you want a full Bluehost AI builder tutorial or a more in-depth IONOS website builder review. Thanks again. I'll see you later. Bye.